Hey, everybody, we're talking about the use of peptides for brain health, for minimizing brain inflammation, healing the brain, and even for digestive health. I'm Dr. Diane, and I want to talk today about the peptide VIP, otherwise known as vasoactive inhibitory peptide. Now, the most common thing that people typically being doctors and clinicians, think of when they think of VIP is its role in gut health and motility. So, healthy gut movement, we do need this peptide. And so, using this and doing things such as taking it in as a peptide when it's prescribed can absolutely help digestive function. But a lesser known utility of VIP is actually for brain health. We use VIP in the brain, and one of the things it can do is help combat any sort of brain or neurological inflammation. So, when we have situations such as people having Lyme or mold or toxic metals or other problems, neurological, autoimmune, and more that have impacted the brain, VIP can sometimes help to lower that brain inflammation and can be used as a great adjunct protocol for other things you're doing. We're always going to want to get to the root cause of the reason for any sort of motility issues in the gut or brain inflammation. So we still want to get to the root. But one of the things I've seen for many people clinically is that oftentimes when we're healing and we're getting to those root causes and we fix them, sometimes there's that leftover inflammation. Sometimes the cells have just not returned to their full level of function. And I've seen VIP to really help with at the brain neurological level with helping lower that brain inflammation so that the person can resume health and can resume full function. So, as always, if you've been following my channel over the past couple months as I've been doing some of these peptide videos, hopefully you have noticed that I continue to say over and over and over again that the sourcing of these peptides is essential. A lot of the peptides out there have LPS, toxic metals, or other dangerous things if they are sold in the direct-to-consumer fashion. So we really want to make sure that we are using pharmaceutical-grade peptides so that we know that they're safe and that we know that they're pure. If you are somebody that is looking for a doctor to help, you can always look up peptide therapy docs near me as a Google or ChatGPT search. You can also look below the show notes to find out more about my medical clinic. And if you are a doctor or a clinician listening to this and you want to know about good companies to work with, please reach out and we will do a personal introduction between us and the companies we like so that you can get started on using quality peptides in your practice. Thanks so much for listening. I'm Dr. Diane. I will see you all again soon.